Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, we have to pull the release inside the car. It's just inside, right around your left knee on the driver's side. We need to release the secondary or safety release. Just kind of feel around for it. This one is right here. Squeeze up. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen this. So you can remove the negative terminal. This one's a little loose, just from being rusty. If you needed to, you could use an adjustable wrench, because that would probably fit better. And do the same thing, loosen it. Once it's loose, you should be able to wiggle it, come free, and then you can just push it aside. Disconnect the positive terminal. You'll lift up on the protective cover. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen it. You don't have to take that all the way off. Just get it loose enough. And then you should be able to wiggle it free. Put that over there. Just gonna spray some rust penetrant on these because they're rusty. Same for this bolt over here. Get it from underneath. Use our ratchet, extension, and 10mm socket. Don't need to fully loosen this one. Work on this bolt here. And this should unhook. Kind of have to play with it a little bit to get it to unhook from where it hooks underneath, but you don't have to take the nut fully off. We'll put this aside. Now you can lift the battery out of the engine compartment. This is probably pretty heavy, so be prepared. And then just put this in a safe place. Place your battery back in the engine compartment. Not going to hook it up yet. Going to install the bracket first. Back of our bracket has a hook, and you want to go down here and hook it into the opening, just like that. Lay the bracket on top. It sits over here on the radiator support. Install this 10mm bolt. Get nice and tight. That's still hooked in there. Now I can tighten this down. You don't have to kill this, but you want it tight. So once it gets tight, just stop. Just don't want the battery to bounce around or go anywhere. Reconnect the positive terminal first. Tighten it up. Put the cap back on it. Reconnect the negative terminal. Tighten it down. It's tight. Battery is replaced.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.